Hey everyone! I'm going to show you how to grow these stunning cosmos flowers from seeds. If you want a garden bursting with color and life, stick around because this is going to be fun and easy. Cosmos flowers are perfect for beginners. They're low maintenance, attract butterflies, and bloom all summer long. Plus, they come in a variety of beautiful colors. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. 1. Gather your supplies. First things first, let's gather our supplies. You'll need cosmos seeds, a seed tray or small pots, seed starting mix, and a spray bottle filled with water. Got everything? Great! Let's move on to planting. 2. Planting the seeds. Fill your seed trays or pots with the seed starting mix. Make sure it's moist, but not soaking wet. Now, take a pinch of cosmos seeds and sprinkle them evenly on top. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil about 1/4 inch deep. Give them a gentle mist with your spray bottle to keep the soil moist. 3. Germination. Place your seed trays in a warm, sunny spot. Cosmos seeds need light to germinate, so don't cover them up too much. In about 7 to 10 days, you should see little sprouts popping up. Look at those tiny plants! Once they're a few inches tall, it's time to move them to the garden. 4. Transplanting. Before transplanting, make sure all danger of frost has passed. Choose a sunny spot in your garden and loosen the soil.
Carefully remove the seedlings from their pots, trying not to disturb their roots.
Plant them about 1 foot apart so they have plenty of room to grow. Water them well after planting and keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. 5. Care and maintenance. Cosmos flowers are pretty low maintenance. Water them regularly, especially during dry spells. If they get too tall, you can stake them to keep them upright. Deadheading, or removing spent flowers, will encourage more blooms throughout the season. And that's it! In just a few weeks, you'll have a garden full of these beautiful, vibrant cosmos flowers. They're perfect for attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies, and they make lovely cut flowers for your home. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening! See you next time. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Bye for now.